This video is how to install Pycharm Community Edition in MacBook with Apple Silicon. First search Pycharm download for MacBook in Google search and you will get the links. Click the link here and you will get to the main page. You will find two versions, Professional and Community version. Please choose Community version for free. You can also select Windows, macOS or Linux as you need. It will take some time to download the installation file. Depending on your connection, the file size is around 550 megabytes. Click the installation file and you will see this Pycharm CE. Then drag and drop the Pycharm CE to the applications as shown here. Then open the application and you will need to confirm to open it as this application was downloaded from the internet. Then click the checkbox to confirm user agreement and click Continue. For data sharing, I will choose Don't Send in my case. Then, you are ready to use Pycharm IDE in your MacBook. That's how to install Pycharm IDE for MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.